Primed Instruments introduces the SuperDART Channel Cleaning Tool with SmartSTOP, combining advanced channel cleaning with kink detection technology. Unlike standard brushes, SuperDART with SmartSTOP provides effective cleaning while detecting kinks in endoscope channels. There are significant risks involved when an endoscope channel is kinked. Clinically, kinks may lead to incomplete procedures, poor suction causing compromised visualization that increases the chance of missed pathology, and tissue injury if instruments are forced past the obstruction. Device risks include instrument breakage, fluid invasion leading to corrosion and electronic failure, a shortened lifespan of the endoscope, and costly repairs or a need for early replacement. Reprocessing risks include blocked brush passage, inadequate cleaning and disinfection, retained debris and biofilm, and an increased risk of cross-contamination and infection. Let's compare the performance of a standard cleaning brush to SuperDART with SmartSTOP. Here, a standard cleaning brush passes through the kink channel without detecting it, allowing risks to remain. Now watch as SuperDART with SmartSTOP identifies the obstruction immediately, alerting the technician to the problem. With SmartSTOP detection, reprocessing teams catch channel kinks early, addressing clinical, device, and reprocessing risks, and ensuring a compromised scope is sent for service before it ever reaches a patient. This provides for greater safety, increased confidence, and stronger protection for patients and staff. SuperDART with SmartSTOP. Better design, smarter cleaning, safer results.